How to delete your Zalando account permanently. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into your Zalando.com and make sure that you're logged into your account, right? So after doing that, now what are we going to do is simply get to our settings. So for that, you can simply tap on the profile icon that you'll be able to see right here. And if you are logged into your account, you will actually be able to see your account overview, right? Then from there, you will need to find the personal data. Simply tap on the personal information or data preferences. Then from there, you can actually scroll to the bottom in order to find the delete account option. Then after tapping on that option, you can simply verify your email. All you need to do is simply click on that link to send your registered email to confirm the permanent closure, and just like that, you will actually be able to delete your Zalando account permanently. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.